Hi, in this video we're going through how to remove the copyright statement from your WordPress website. My name's Dan and this is WP Update. Welcome, my name's Dan. I'm a senior software engineer and full stack WordPress developer with WP Update. And in this video we're going through how to remove the copyright statement that often appears at the bottom of your WordPress website. Now you can see here I've already logged in. If you've not logged in, you just need to head to /wp-admin to log into your website, or if you're not sure how to actually log in, then there is a link in the description below which will take you through how to do that. So once we're in, you can just head straight back out to the front page and then hit customize up the top. Now if you can't see that, that's okay. You may need to ask an administrator to help you out with this one. Now this may vary depending on your theme, but generally speaking, you'll find the copyright information or the statement for this in either menus, widgets, theme options, or potentially a footer option. Now I'm fairly confident this one's in theme options, so let's go have a quick look. Yep, there we go, and footer. And if you can't see it here, just head back out and have a look through the different options that make sense. But for this one, down to footer, there we go, and we can see the copyright there. So we're going to change that to our copyright statement, and you can delete it, just delete it, and then it's gone. Or probably a more pertinent thing to do is to add your own. Actually, let's use the ampersand copy, which creates the little C. There we go, and we have now updated that copyright statement. So if you're happy with that, you just hit the publish there, and that's done. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Check out the videos on the left for some more WordPress tips, or if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing and ring that notification bell so YouTube lets you know whenever we post a new tip. Stay safe, wash your hands, and we'll see you in the next video.